We don't have to name names if you prefer not to. Pero tama ba, intindi ko
Yes.
na nakasabay mo ilang congressmen na naka-uniforme tapos yung mga awards nila kahina-hinala rin.
Yes, kasi tinanong ko na saan yun nakuha yan, ano? Kasi ako pa lang kasi yung iba, they were not they were not members of the reserve force at all. And because they decided to take the General Staff Corps or GSC of the Armed Forces, they're automatically promoted or awarded the Lieutenant Colonel
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
officer rank. And therefore, wala pa silang karanasan. So saan nila kukunin yung award na yan? So moment they wore the uniform, may award na. So kinusyon ko yung staff na hindi basta-basta nilalagay yung mga awards na yan kasi it should be earned. No? It should be earned. So yun naman, na-correct naman yun. Pero siguro sa mga iba na hindi, kaya importante din sa business, we should also educate them and caution them na hindi basta ganun ang awards kasi sometimes, without offense to our armed forces, mas itong binibaby yung mga reserve natin, especially coming from the high ranks from the business sector and even the congressmen. Hindi dapat kung ano ang dapat na gawin niya at i-comply niya kung nag-schooling man sa armed forces, hindi dapat ganun kasi otherwise mawawala yung saysay ng isang reservist. Yeah, kung siya ay unang-una hindi nag-training, hindi mo alam yung even pag-salute, ang mga awards, hindi mo alam, hindi that's sampal yun sa armed forces.